Welcome back to another episode of How to Have a Successful Marriage. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts, the secrets to a successful marriage. Whether you're just starting your journey together or have been married for years, the principles we're about to discuss will undoubtedly resonate with you. I'm your host, Tony, and let's jump right in. Love, often called the foundation of any strong relationship, holds immense power. It's not just about grand gestures. It's the small, consistent acts that build a lasting bond. From saying "I love you" daily to showing appreciation for the little things, love serves as a reminder that you're each other's priority. Remember, love is not just a noun, but a verb, something you actively do to nurture your connection. Speaking of nurturing, honesty is another crucial aspect of a successful marriage. Let's explore how honesty plays a pivotal role. Honesty forms the cornerstone of trust between partners. It's about being open about your thoughts, feelings, and even your vulnerabilities. Sharing your concerns and aspirations helps foster an environment where both of you can grow together. Honesty doesn't just mean avoiding lies. It means having those difficult conversations that are essential for mutual understanding. Remember, the truth might be uncomfortable at times, but it's always worth it in the long run. Building on the foundation of love and honesty is the concept of support. Let's discuss how supporting each other can lead to a harmonious and successful marriage. Support in a marriage is like the wind beneath your wings. It's about celebrating your partner's achievements, no matter how big or small, and being there during the lows. Encourage each other's dreams and aspirations, providing a safe space to explore and evolve. When challenges arise, being each other's rock can help navigate even the stormiest of seas. Remember, your partner's success is your success, and vice versa. So, there you have it, the secrets to a successful marriage: love, honesty, and unwavering support. Remember, a strong marriage is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously working on yourselves and your relationship. By practicing these principles, you're not just building a marriage, you're crafting a lifelong love story. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of How to Have a Successful Marriage. I'm Tony, and until next time, keep spreading love, staying honest, and supporting one another. Take care, gentlemen. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, this is Tony, signing off.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name: Tony's Drain at tonysdrain.com.